Hey there, this is Marcia Laurel, your local Mary Kay consultant. Today I have an order that I placed a couple days ago that came in, and I figured I'd open it with you today to show one of my most favorite products is actually in here. So I thought I'd share. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the package came in. One thing I will say, I am in Columbus, Georgia, and one of the distribution centers is actually not too far from here, and so my packages typically come relatively fast. Now, not always. Sometimes they do come from a different warehouse, but the ones that come from Georgia obviously come like in a day or two, so it's kind of full. So let's see what goodies we have in here. We have a ton of peanuts that I'm trying not to get all over the floor if I can help it. Let's see. We may not have a choice. Okay. I may have to dump them and then just put them back in. So we'll dump them on the desk here. And then we'll just put them all back. I will say they make sure everything stays protected, and that's wonderful. All right. So in here, I have one of our Enchanted Wish perfumes. If you've never seen the bottle for this, it is absolutely gorgeous. So let's see, I'll show it really quickly. It has this gorgeous sort of petal on the top in sort of a purple color, and then the bottle itself is sort of like a light teal. So there's that, and that is Enchanted Wish. That's one of our fragrances. Put that back in there really quick, which is probably why there's so many peanuts, honestly, in this box, was to keep the perfume safe in travel. So that nothing happens to it. Oh, let's see. Alright, we're having trouble getting it back in the box. Hold on. There we go. I had to turn it a little bit. Perfect. Alright, so it is now back in the box. So that is product number 1. Product number 2 is another lip liner. Most of you that have seen me wear makeup typically know that I almost always have on lip liner. So this one is in Berry, and it's sort of it's almost like a burgundy color, not quite. So I don't know if you can even see that very well on the camera. It's got the color on the tip too, but like I said, you may not be able to see it very well just because of coloring on the camera. I'll do a tutorial where I show how I line my lips with that. And then there's an awesome sample of looks like steel. It's a gray color sample, and I think the last time I ordered I got the same thing. Excuse me. Invoice. Let's see what else is in here. Alright. I also picked up one of our Satin Body Shea washes. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this stuff. This is probably one of my favorite products. It looks like this. So you'll see it's part of our white tea and citrus line. And so there's that. I'll set that right there. And then the last item I believe in here, because this wasn't a very large order, is one of our Cosmetic roll-up bags. I wanted to get one of these because the bags that I currently keep all of my makeup in, I'm finding that I'm starting to outgrow those bags. And rather than having to carry several bags at once, it's easier if I just have one big bag. So I'm going to actually open this and show it to you. And these are really neat the way they're made, because you can keep things compartmentalized, which is what I'll do. I'll put all of my eye care stuff in one pocket, all of my lip products in another, and then I'll put all of my foundation products in another, and then maybe like my tools maybe in the other. I haven't quite decided. So it has Velcro. You can hear these really sturdy Velcro pieces down here. It does have a hanger for you to hang this up on the wall or on the back of a door, hang it on even a towel bar, especially like if you're traveling and you don't have a permanent place for it, that'd be great to hang up there. Then you have these really neat pockets. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and they do have a zipper enclosure. Okay, zipper. It's a very heavy, durable plastic. But the great thing is these come off the Velcro, which is fabulous, because then you're able to fill these up and you can just pull one of these out at a time if you need it. It's just going to show you how large these are, because these are a really good size. Now, when these are fully full, fully full, yes. When they are full and you have things in them, it really does keep the bag sort of in a, almost like triangular shape, sort of, or cube maybe. And the great thing is, like I said, you can take these out and you can fill them up. So that kind of shows you how far out it expands, which is a pretty good size. And then it just pops right back on the little Velcro tabs down inside here. So like I said, when they're full, they kind of roll together and it creates kind of like a cube, I would imagine, just because there's 4 of them. If it was just 3, I'd say probably a triangle. Now, the outside of this is made out of almost like a waterproof material. Think like a lunch box, like if you were taking lunch. So you can see this is what it looks like. So like I said, if all 4 sides are full, it would pretty much make a cube and you would carry it like this. It does have a really durable handle. Now, what I plan to do with mine, and this is the part I wanted to show you. Most of you know I'm a huge scrapbooker and crafter. So I have a couple Cricut machines. And so I actually did my initials, my own monogram. So this is made out of vinyl. So I do have some things that I actually embroider with thread, but for this I'm using vinyl. So my plan is to put my monogram sort of right here in the middle. Now, I've not monogrammed one of these before with vinyl, so I'm not exactly sure how well this is gonna stick, but we are certainly gonna try it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I will come back and I'm gonna adhere this, and then I'll show you what it looks like finished. All right, so I am back again. I did try to adhere my monogram to the Mary Kay makeup bag, and it would not work. I think it may just be the material, perhaps, just does not want to stick. I tried the monogram that I showed you, the gold one that had my initials, and then I went back and had to cut a second one in a totally different brand of vinyl, just to see if maybe it was the brand that I had, and it still would not stick. And so then I went and I took that same monogram and I adhered it to my new Cricut Joy just to see if maybe it was the vinyl, but no, it adhered just fine. So now I have a monogram on my Cricut Joy, but oh, sorry, my kids, but all I know is I could not get it to stick. So it looks like that idea is out for now. So I hope the unboxing, even though we could not get the vinyl to adhere to the makeup bag, I hope the unboxing itself was helpful. If you have any questions about any of the products that I showed that arrived in my shipment, please do send me a message or comment below. Thanks so much and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.